served villages and towns throughout Dominica. It soon established an enviable reputation as a business which was committed to serve the community. Josephine Gabriel unfortunately passed away on August 26, 1967, following her lengthy illness, leaving the responsibility of continuing the family's legacy in the hands of her youngest son, Louis. Under Louis' leadership as managing director, the company solidified its reputation as a well-run local company, which was unwavering in its support of local organizations and communities, even while it expanded its operations. Along the way, it added pride to its operation, and years later started bottling its own indigenous brand of soft drinks, namely Quenchy, which replaced Zik. Today, Quenchy soft drink is bottled in 8 flavors in the 473 milliliters or 16-ounce package size, and 11 flavors in the 355 milliliters, that is 12-ounce package size. In 2003, Louis Gabriel recognized the need to harvest Dominica's abundant water supply. This water originates from the springs of Mount Tuapito, one of the purest and can be obtained in the Caribbean. It is purified and bottled under the most modern conditions that utilizes a state-of-the-art reverse osmosis systems and additional activated carbon filtration to ensure the highest quality and pure, refreshing water. Tuapito water, pure Dominican water, Eau Pure de la Dominique. The water was sold in 3 different sizes to satisfy the needs of consumers. Today, the company has added 2 other sizes to meet the needs of corporate and other offices. As the company thrived and prospered under Louis' leadership and that of his wife, Celia Gabriel Nee Trotter, and now their daughter, Marissa Gabriel Simeldo, so too does its support for the Dominican community.
Thank you, Tessa. Can everybody hear me? It's okay? Okay, great. Good afternoon again, Acting Prime Minister and Minister of Finance, Honorable Dr. Irvin McIntyre, Financial Secretary, Denise Edwards, Director of Trade, Martin Walter, Director of the Bureau of Standards, Dr. Kizzy Etienne, CEO, partner, founder of Bottling Experts, Mr. Arnold. VP of Engineering, founder of Bottling Experts, Mr. Martin. Esteemed guests, the media, family and friends, and the management and staff of Josephine Gabriel and Company Limited. Today marks a milestone in our company's journey. A journey that my father, Louis Gabriel, would be proud of. The official unveiling of our new production line. This is more than just an expansion of our capabilities. It is a bold step toward shaping the future of our industry and delivering even greater value to our customers and consumers. From the very beginning, our goal was very clear: to create a production line that delivers more than just products, one that delivers progress. And progress for us means embracing technology, efficiency, sustainability in equal measure. With this new line, we're not only producing faster and smarter, but also setting us on a path to becoming greener. This advancement in our ability to deliver a more sustainable package. Our products that leave this facility will now be packaged using materials that contain 36% less plastic for our Talkito water brand and 56% less plastic for our Quenchy brand. These designs, along with the reduction and elimination of other packaging materials, minimize waste without compromising the durability or quality of our product. This is an investment in our people, our customers, and the next generation to come. Despite operating with minimum and limited resources, our company remains committed to advancing recycling initiatives. We continue to work closely with our local authorities and to identify practical solutions, strengthening community programs, and ensures that our sustainability efforts make a meaningful impact. When we first envisioned this production line, it wasn't just about increasing our capacity. It was about raising the bar for quality and for efficiency and for the value we deliver to our consumers and customers. This line represents an investment just under 10 million PC dollars. Months of planning, countless hours of hard work, and the dedication of an incredible team. To our project team bottling experts, Arnold, Martin, and Checo, this has been more than a working relationship. I think it's now family. From the moment we met 3.5 years ago, our dreams became theirs. To our suppliers, Zegler, SMI, McGrath, Videojet, ABC, Ecolab, our big was your small. Yet you handcrafted these machines to fit us like a glove. To our engineers, technicians, and operators, you've turned blueprints into reality. To our management support team, headed by Mr. Simon Coppell, you've kept the vision clear and the momentum strong. And to our partners and clients, your trust fuels our drive to keep improving. As we press the start button today, we're not just launching a line, we're launching a new chapter in our company's story, one filled with opportunity, innovation, and shared success. Thank you for being part of our journey. Let us make the future we've imagined together. Thank you.
All right, as we move to the next stage of the program, we're going to have a small tour of the facility where we'll have a chance to have a good set of the officials, and then we have the property, mostly invited guests to follow. It might be a little bit, not that lengthy, so I'll try to split it up into groups because we can have everybody to the plant at once. All right, before I end, I want to thank everybody for coming and the dignitaries and the people who contributed, especially our engineering team from Zegler, the experts, SMI, Videojet. We want to thank you, and we want to thank our customers and our patriots that have been supporting us over the past years. We are hoping that our products are going to meet the standard and elevate beyond Dominica. That's the intention. Not only Dominica, we are looking beyond Dominica. And our invited guests, we have some among us who are out of island.
I guess Mr. Coppell is a little nervous, but we're going to start with our invited guests, officials. We request that you leave all your bags. Joy, it's our little baby, our happy place.
Please stay put as we will be getting our little tour of the new manufacturing line at Josephine Gabriel and Company Limited in a short while.
And I did forget that you'll be getting this lovely little hat to go home with.
New manufacturing line.
Okay, those coming from the media, we want to go in the tour with you, so you can maybe just sit there. From the media.
Okay, so we're getting ready for that tour.
I told him a lot of times at the Howard show, I'm going to say hi to you. I said, oh, it's actually possible. I just found out today.
Sorry? He will be protected, but I hope his accent will not be Kreno.
I will make an effort.
Alright, so it's Kreno. So it's going to be, it will be explained.
This was not planned whatsoever.
So you will explain the process.
For those of you just joining us, we are about to get a tour of the new manufacturing line at Josephine Gabriel and Company Limited of Pure Dominica Water.
And then go to the escalator and then the next.
You can go now.
Okay, so you all can go now.
What you can do? You want somebody else from the family to come by?
Maybe you can get a few more.
I guess. Oh, really? Yeah, we can go. Follow me. Yes, all the way here. Let's see. This was not planned whatsoever, so I'll try to do a little speech. I hope that my accent is good enough. I just found out that you're family today, and we see each other so many times. I just found out today that you are part of the family as well, and we see each other at the Howard store so many times. Well, my name is Manuel Checo. I'm the project manager on site for this project. This is the very beginning of the process itself. Josephine Gabriel is buying containers and containers of preform, that is the bottle before it's blown. So the operator will put it here with the forklift, this is a tilder, and we'll go inside this hopper. Follow me. Yeah. Can you come inside? Can you come closer so you can hear me? All this little plastic part, that's the preform. This is the blow molder. Let's first go through the oven to heat up the bottle in a specific way. Then they come to the mold itself. It's clamped and closed. Put stretch it and inject high pressure into it, forming the bottle. Then the bottle gets filled and capped. So that's a lot of noise. Over here we get the bottle filled and capped with a specific torque. So it's safe enough so nothing comes in, but loose enough that you can actually take it out. There are quality controls that are taking out every half an hour to validate the torque spec. On the top over here, the caps come in. The cap hopper that is in the outside. That's good. This is where the operator will put all the caps, and whenever the machine is needing caps, you just throw it up there. As for quality purposes, this is our inspector. If there is a bottle that is coming with low level or missing the cap, you will just push it out automatically. On this format, we can do 16,000 bottles per hour. This is only our third day testing. Yesterday we did 66,000 bottles. The goal is to reach 100,000 bottles at least. So that way it's that they are going to be able to supply Dominica product to all of the Caribbean.
What does that mean?
The weight.
The weight of
Yeah, you use less plastic per bottle.
compared to the other one that you had
Yeah.
before. And also the label has changed. The label has changed. Right now it's less expensive
as you can see, the bottle is filled, it's capped, but it have no label yet. Also, it still doesn't have the information on when it was produced. That's all coming up here. Let's go through the back, okay? Oh, we'll merge with this group. Simon speaks more than me, apparently. But I think we can just take over.
No, we can just wait and then we can just...
Alright. Yeah, it's actually easier here. Yeah. So let's do a quick explanation on this side. Wait for everybody. Okay. So if you grab one bottle, take it. You can grab one just and put it back. Over here you will see now it's labeled with all the information. And also, if you put your flashlight, it's coated with a laser. See?
The bad.
Yeah, it's going to set the date, the hour, and the line where it was produced.
Great.
That is, this machine is doing that. You have sensors that sense when the bottle is coming in, and just by a laser, yeah. And the one over there that you see that the bottle is coming in and out, that's the labeler. That's the one putting the labels. Finally, I need to speak louder. So, yeah. Finally, you have here the packer. Each format have a different configuration. On this one we do 6 by 4, 24 bottles per case. So they just go in, the machine senses how many bottles it's allowing, then just cut, separate, and wrap it around with that plastic. That's the one that's going to be out in the market, as you have probably seen already. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just let me know.
Where's the water coming from?
Huh?
Where is the water coming from?
As they say, tropical water is coming from the city, from the how you call it? I'm a tourist as well, so I can only have so much information. How you call that?
That is the question. You know, you had the water, but
Yeah, but the process is a whole different process. Because on the back you have the water supply, you have the reverse osmosis control, then you have the carbon filter, and finally they go to a deposit, and that's where it gets coming to the city. It's a whole process. The purified process is a whole different animal. A whole different process. So you get a raw filter.
moving the water from there. Yes, where is it coming from? So what part of the country? There.
So for those of you just joining us, we are live here at Josephine Gabriel and Company Limited for the grand unveiling of the new PET manufacturing line. And as you heard it, this new line actually allows them to bottle a lot more than they were doing before. So those of you social studies teachers or business teachers on there, that's a nice place that you could bring your class so that they could come on and see the manufacturing process. Right here we are at the final stage where it is being packaged. This is not a new business. This is actually Josephine Gabriel and Company Limited. It's just a little upgrade to the business. And remember, apart from the water, they do the different quenchy flavors.